Episode number 48. They are below, sir, and with your permission let Chesney will bid them come up. Yes, let them come up immediately. It is nearly 8 o'clock, and at 9 I expect a visit. Go, Monsieur Duke, and return often. Come in, Treville. The Duke saluted, and retired. At the moment he opened the door, the three musketeers, and D'Artagnan, conducted by Chesney, appeared at the top of the staircase. "Come in, my braves," said the king. "Come in, I am going to scold you." The musketeers advanced, bowing, D'Artagnan following closely behind them. "What the devil?" continued the king. "7 of his eminence's guards placed hors de combat by you 4 in 2 days. That's too many, gentlemen, too many. If you go on so, his eminence will be forced to renew his company in 3 weeks, and I to put the edicts in force in all their rigor. 1 now, and then I don't say much about, but 7 in 2 days, I repeat, it is too many, it is far too many. Therefore, sir, your majesty sees that they are come, quite contrite and repentant, to offer you their excuses." "Quite contrite and repentant, said the king. "I place no confidence in their hypocritical faces. In particular, there is one yonder of a Gascon look. Come hither, monsieur." D'Artagnan, who understood that it was to him this compliment was addressed, approached, assuming a most deprecating air. "Why, you told me he was a young man. This is a boy, Treville, a mere boy. Do you mean to say that it was he who bestowed that severe trust at Jussac? And those 2 equally fine trusts at Bernajoux?" "Truly." "Without reckoning," said Athos, "that, if he had not rescued me from the hands of Cahusac, I should not now have the honor of making my very humble reverence to your majesty. Why is a very devil, this Bernays? Ventre Saint Grace, Monsieur de Treville, as the king my father would have said. But at this sort of work, many doublets must be slashed, and many swords broken. Now, Gascons are always poor, are they not? Sir, I can assert that their visitor discovered no gold mines in the mountains, though the Lord owes them this miracle in recompense for the manner in which they supported the pretensions of the king your father. Which is to say that the Gascons made a king of me, myself, seeing that I am my father's son, is it not, Treville? Well, happily, I don't say nay to it. Let Chesney, go and see if by rummaging all my pockets you can find 40 pistols, and if you can find them, bring them to me. And now let us see, young man, with your hand upon your conscience, how did all this come to pass?" D'Artagnan related the adventure of the preceding day in all its details, how, not having been able to sleep for the joy he felt in the expectation of seeing his majesty, he had gone to his 3 friends 3 hours before the hour of audience, how they had gone together to the tennis court, and how, upon the fear he had manifested lest he receive a ball in the face, he had been jeered at by Bernajoux, who had nearly paid for his jeer with his life, and then the La Tremouille, who had nothing to do with the matter, with the loss of his hotel.